Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is Republic GG airdrop. The airdrop is actually confirmed. I've actually been making this post on my Telegram channel, so I decided to make a video so that for some of you that have actually registered, which we actually know how to go about it and earn points. Like you earn SP, so that SP is their token. So they actually make this tweet like their airdrop is actually confirmed. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you the airdrop, the tweet they made. So this was the tweet they made, guys. You can actually see that. Do you understand? I don't know why my network is disturbing. You can actually see the date, 17th November 2023, around 8:57 a.m. Do you understand? So you can actually see that they say important Republic community update. RPK token, both RPK listing and airdrops have been confirmed for November. Slight airdrop delay due to implementation of additional measures. So, guys, click on the link on this video description and start accumulating as SRP as you can. Let me show you. Let me take you to my SP account. Like, it's an app, it's a social media app where people post. Like, it's just for Asians. That app is for Asians. Like, so you just download it. NSP. Do you understand? Let me show you. So, guys, this is the app. You understand? You earn SP. So let me show you how to earn. This is my profile. If you earn, like, if 10 persons follow you, you earn 10 SP. If you give 5 likes, I've not been active here. Do you understand? But the most important thing is that I do open this app every morning. Once I woke up after performing my morning task, I will just open the app and give 5 likes. I might comment, sometimes I might comment. So I find another way that you can actually, like, I found new ways to earn more. So, like, if you open this app for 7 days, for whole 1 week, let me show you. If you open it for whole 1 week, you will earn points. You can actually see that. If you open it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like, you earn points. So I have 6 more days to claim my boss. Do you understand? So this is how to earn in earn 10 SP pay referral and bonus SP based on your activity. So you get your, once you are done with it, click on the link on this video description. So once you are done with your registration, you can copy your invite link and share to your friends that are into crypto. Do you understand? Don't force anybody. Do you understand? Go, airdrop is confirmed. You don't even need to convince them. It's when you earn. This one is like they actually verified, like, guys. So take it serious. Say M5 SP for every followers you gain. That's what, like I said, it's even 5 stuff. I'm saying 10. If 5 persons follow you a day, you earn 5 SP, and this SP will be converted to their token. Do you understand? So you earn 10 SP for receiving 10 likes. I don't used to post here, so if you are good in posting, you just post, you'll be earning likes, then you earn SP. So I know I'm not active on this app. So earn 10 SP for casting 10 votes a day. So I'm going to show you how to do these ones, and also how to do these ones. And as I say, earn 10 SP for joining a challenge. If you are good, there are people. If you are good, if you actually do TikTok now, come to this app and just be. If you dance, just come and join the challenge. There are people that are actually dancing here. Join them. You earn SP. Do you understand? But if you don't want to do that, if you open this app every morning for 7 days, you earn 10 SP. So let me show you. Let's just get straight to the point. It said earn up to 500 SP per challenging winning. So if you win a challenge, you earn SP. So here is my home page. I've actually gave some like this morning. So here is what you do to earn likes. You click here. Do you understand? To earn followers, you might just come here and comment something, and people will just follow you. Do you understand? Like me now, what I do is I will just come and comment something like nice. If you see a nice pictures, we just comment nice. Someone might just follow you just like that. If you see someone dancing, might just give it like, just comment. People will follow you that way. Like a day, you do get like 5 points. If people like 10 persons might even follow you, gain 10 point SP. So this is how to earn. So you give like you just be giving like, you will earn. Like this morning now, I've opened this app, so I've given like. So how to vote? You click here now. This is on how to vote. You click here to earn more SP. So when you click on that sign, on that browser sign explorer, so all you have to do now is to click, like, is to go on videos. This video, like on how to vote, I'm telling you how to vote. Like this video now and challenge, you just click on it will open. You see that? So this one doesn't have a vote, so you go up. Let's say this one now, I'm trying to show you how to vote. Do you understand? You look for video, you only vote for videos. So let me check this one. You check videos that have votes in it. So I've actually voted this morning, but it's remaining some. Like it's actually remaining some. I need to give 10 votes so that I will earn. Do you understand? Hey, you can actually see this one now. When you open that, when you go to Explorer, you open videos, you see votes. When you click on it, so it's remaining 6 votes. You can actually see that. Once I give that 10 votes now, earn my 10 SP. It's just as simple as that. You just click on votes. That way you have voted, you go back and then scroll by. You scroll like this. You click on that. You see votes. This is votes. Like you click on it, on how to earn. Like you need to accumulate these things. You click on vote, like just like that. You need to accumulate this SP because it will be converted to their token. Do you understand? So it's remaining 4 now. If you look here, you will see that it's remaining 4 vote. Then I'll earn 10 SP. Once I earn it, I'll show you guys. Now you click on videos. I voted this one. Let's scroll. Okay, this one. Let's check this one. This one has votes. You click on it. Do you see that? It will be easy for you, sir. You click on it. No need of going back. You just here on the videos. So I've not been active on this app. Just that I went on Twitter this morning and I saw that because they actually announced that they will be doing an airdrop. Like if you have their app, blah 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 blah, you'll be eligible. So now you need to earn SP so that you actually earn, like you will get something from that airdrop. That is it. So it's remaining 1 now. You need to give 10 votes. So guys, that's just it. It doesn't, like, just give it 5 minutes of your time. This is November, so accumulate as possible as you can. Like just once you give 5, like now you give 10 votes. Do you understand? And then you are good to go. Like you are good to go. So once you do it, you just close the app. The following morning you do the same out of vote. So I've actually voted. So you got, if you check my point now, you see that my point has gone up. This is my point. Do you see that? So guys, that'll be that on how to get your invite link. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Share this video so that others can also benefit from it. And to get your invite link, you click on share this at this. When you go to get your invite link, you go to pro. You go when you this is home. To get your invite link, you click profile below here on the right hand side. You can see that. And to vote, to find where to vote, you click on this very one, this sign now, this browser sign. And then to get your invite link, you click on this profile. You see that? So when you click on profile, you click on share. When you click on share, you get your invite link. So when you click on share, you get your invite link. That's just it. So you can actually upload your profile, your username. So when you do that, you can actually follow me and I'll follow back. Do you understand? So that'll be all for now, guys. If there is any other update, if they make any new announcement, I'm actually going to notify you guys. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Do you understand? So that'll be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.